Welcome, today I'm paired with my Motorola Moto G42 and I'll show you that the device comes with the 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So first let's open the box. Here we can find the silicone case, the USB cable, charger brick, and here we have only some paperwork, and unfortunately we have not here any adapters. So if you wanna use the 3.5mm headphones, you don't just you shouldn't buy the adapter, because you have here these 3.5mm parts for these headphones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.